All right. So in November 2022, eTides, the old system that we used to file sales tax on, has been retired by Pennsylvania. So going forward, everyone has to create a MyPath login to file and pay their sales tax returns from November 2022 on. So let's get you signed up so that you can file your sales tax and manage any other PA accounts that you have for your business. So you want to head to mypath.pa.gov. Now, under New to MyPath, click Sign Up. Now, the next screen will review the types of taxes that will be available to you on MyPath. You can click Next. And then check that you agree and click Next. And then you'll be taken to the login registration screen. So let's break this screen down into 3 columns. Column A, you need to input a unique email address that's not associated with any other MyPath profile. Even if you have a personal MyPath login already, you have to use a separate email address, a unique username that must be a minimum of 5 characters, no special characters, and a password that has to be 8 characters and must have at least one of the following: an uppercase and lowercase letter, a number, and a special character. Then you just have to verify that password and you're on to column B. In column B, you have to choose the type of phone number that you want to use: business phone, cell phone, or home phone. Enter that here. And then in column C, you have to verify the account you want to bring over. So you can choose no to the third-party tax professional question. And you can choose either your EIN, your employer identification number, or your revenue ID to verify your account. I suggest that you use your revenue ID. So to find what your revenue ID number is, head back to the old system, eTides, that you used to use. That's etides.state.pa.us. Log on to your account, choose Enterprise Maintenance, select Sales and Use and Hotel Occupancy Tax from the drop-down menu, click Next, choose your business, click Select, choose View Enterprise Information, and click Next. The screen shows you your revenue ID and your legal name that is on file with PA, which you also need to confirm on MyPath. Head back to the MyPath registration and input the revenue ID number and the legal name of your business, and click Next. If PA finds a match for your business, you'll be taken to a screen to verify details about your account. So you want to choose Sales and Use Tax from this long list of items, and choose payment amount as the option for what you want to verify. Then you want to head back to your eTides account, click on Filing History, select Sales and Use and Hotel Occupancy Tax from the drop-down menu, click Next, choose your business, click Select, and you'll see your total tax payments listed there. Don't choose the most recent one because we've had some verification issues with picking the most recent payment. So choose one of the last 5 payments, but maybe 2 or 3 months back. Write down the amount, even the cents. Now head back to MyPath and enter that exact amount into the system for verification. And you can choose to opt in for electronic mail delivery or not. And then click Submit to see if you got a match. If you did everything right, you should get a confirmation that looks like this. So now let's try to log in. So click OK to get back to the main screen. Enter your username and password to log into your account for the first time. And the first step is to set up a 2-factor authentication. So you can enter your email, a phone number, or just use the Authenticator app. The phone number doesn't have to be the same one that you input initially when signing up. And then you have to set up a secret question. And once you're in, it should look like this. You should see your sales and use tax account, the frequency, the license number, the next return that's due. And now you should have access to all of your sales and use tax accounts to file returns whenever you need to. And if you have an employer withholding account because you pay payroll, you'll see those all listed too. See, that wasn't so bad.